Hi everybody, this is Otto Tech Pro. Today we're installing 2014 Mercedes-Benz CLA. Actually, it's the same as the GLA. This system comes with newest Android 10.0 operating system, and it also comes with the 4GB of the RAM, 64GB of the hard drive. It also comes with the 1970 by 720 high definition screen. You can see that the resolution of the screen is actually very high, and it also comes with the anti-reflection blue coating, and this one also fully compatible with the original manual. This is the original NTG manual. I'm gonna show you step by step how to use the system. This system comes with the built-in GPS, fully compatible with the command button here. You can use the original command button to control the interface here. This is the built-in navigation. You don't need any Wi-Fi to use the GPS because it's built-in. How to use the GPS? Basically, you can just click on the bottom right corner here, new road, address, then you can enter the address here. Pull down a little bit top of the manual, you will see the home button here. Click on the home button. This is the music. It's fully compatible with the original stereo control and everything. In order to go back to the original manual, you can go to the NTG manual here. This is the original manual. Everything is going to be exactly the same. There's nothing changed on the original system. This system also comes with the built-in auxiliary activation. So basically, what that means is most of the CLA from 2014, they don't come with the AUX, okay? And this system comes with the built-in activation. So when you connect to the system will help you to activate the AUX here. You can see that you come with the AUX on the manual, okay? So that means even though your car right now doesn't have the AUX, no problem. The newest system, that one comes with the built-in auxiliary AUX activation. And other than that, it also comes with the Wi-Fi, GPS, dashboard. The dashboard here, it comes with a different color here. You can also change the color here. This one will also connect to the computer and show the RPM and the speed of the vehicle. In order to connect to the Wi-Fi, you can also go to Setting, scroll down the menu, Android, Network, and Internet. Now we connect and the Wi-Fi. As long as you turn on the hotspot on the cell phone, then you can use the internet and download the application and watch the YouTube or Netflix. Just keep that in mind, the GPS is built in. You don't need any Wi-Fi to use the GPS. And once you connect to the Wi-Fi, you can go to the apps. You can go to the Google Map here. You can also go to the internet browser here. You can also download any application from the Google App Store. This is the newest version of the Google App Store here. You can also watch the YouTube. Other than that, you can also go to download the movie from the USB, and then you can also watch on the system as well.
Unnecessary shock to the system. I am human evolution.
Perfect. I'm gonna show you some of the settings about this new system. This is for the original camera. If your car comes with the original camera, this system will also support the original camera. This is the original camera in this vehicle. In order to change the setting, basically you can just go to Setting, System, Camera Selection, OEM camera or aftermarket camera. If you want to install the aftermarket camera, then you can change the system to aftermarket camera here. If your car comes with the original camera, you can just select the OEM camera. Don't select the 360-degree camera. If you select the 360-degree camera, when you turn the slow light, the screen will turn black and acting weird if you don't equip the 360-degree camera. And other than that, you can also change the brightness here. You don't need to change all this kind of setting here. This system also supports the temperature, which will also show up on the screen. It's fully compatible with everything here. Oh, okay, you can see that the temperature is right here. Okay. This one also supports the Apple CarPlay. So you can also connect to the Apple CarPlay or Android Auto as well. Just keep that in mind. I'm gonna show you something about the setting, okay? When you do the installation by yourself, if you find that you have some issue when you switch back to the original menu, like the NTG menu, like the original menu, that means you probably need to adjust the setting. Go to the setting, go to factory, 1314, click OK, car display. You can also select different kind of setting, depends on your configuration of vehicle. The resolution of the screen actually is very high, and this is fully integrated to the original vehicle of the Mercedes-Benz CLA or GLA, the original NTG system. Thank you very much for watching. System can purchase from www.autotechpro.com. If you guys have any question about this system, you can always feel free to contact us. We will be more than happy to assist you. Thank you very much for watching. I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.